So as we did in Android application, there are few code level changes for iOS application too. So we need to make sure we provide the code level changes exactly so that it works. And most of you might have been facing an issue like whenever you try to add Firebase to your Flutter application, that is for iOS application, you may be experiencing a crash on start of the application. So following this tutorial you can also resolve that particular crash issue. So first of all, let us go into the Firebase console here, and you need to add the iOS app here. So for adding the iOS app, you need to provide these details like bundle ID. So you can find this bundle ID in your code here, your bundle identifier here. So just you need to copy that one and paste it over here, and you need to provide the app nickname also. So I'm just adding one more letter here, and to make it unique, and I'm providing a name like deeplink. And when you tap on the register button here, you will be providing with a download configuration file, which is nothing but your Google service info plist file. So you need to download this particular file and make sure you add this here under the runner folder. And I suggest you to open your Xcode and drag the file and drop it under the runner folder here. So if you try to add this in your Android Studio, you will surely get an error and your app will crash at the launch. So you might have been wondering why there is a crash issue, because it's the file is not getting detected. So you need to open the Xcode and you need to provide it exactly as we have specified here. And I think you can now resolve that particular issue of Firebase app crash. You need to move to the app delegate.swift here, and here you need to specify import Firebase and Firebase app.configure here, and you need not change anything, just add the line number 3 and line number 11 here. So the same will be provided when you tap on next here. So this is the initialization code here, and here we have skipped the Firebase analytics previously. You may add depending upon your application requirement. So currently I don't require analytics, and here you need to copy this import Firebase and Firebase app.configure as we have discussed earlier. So after adding the plist file and app delegate here, so now let's try to run this particular code and see the output. We have already installed the application on our simulator, so it is asking us for replacing it. So the most important tip here is like you need to open the application in Xcode, and then only you need to add the plist file which you get from the Firebase. And when you try to add it directly from the Android Studio, it doesn't get detected. So I hope you understood this particular tutorial, and if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial I'm providing in the description section below. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.